Okay, so I made this thing as a boost device. You fly through it and it will boost you. And here is the boosting ring in Unity. Imported it and put some sort of materials on it. So boostiness is going to be blueness in the game, language of the game. You see a blue thing, it's going to affect your speed. Yeah, it has a sort of combination of like royal blue and sky blue, sort of depending on how you're viewing it. So yeah, that's the boosting ring. Maybe I'll make them sort of move around as well, that'd be pretty fun. But first I'm going to put the sound effects on them and the functionality and stuff. Okay. And here I have a boost sound for the boosting ring that I made in Reason. And it sounds like this. And that's sort of looping. And I can change things about it. The pitch is sort of fun to change. Or I can do that, make it really razz it or calm it down a bit. So yeah. So at the moment I'm sort of making lots of different variations of it, so that when you fly through the boost it'll play a random sound. Maybe there'll be 5 or 8 of them or something, and it'll sort of randomly select one of the sounds and play it when you boost through the booster. Okay, I've put some behavior on it, so let's move around to here. So there are 2 state machines, Playmaker state machines, on this object. The first one simply does the job of boosting the craft. It has 2 states, one state here which is the starting state, which basically sort of listens for collisions. If it collides with something with the tag hull, which is a tag that's on all of the spacecraft, it will send this boost event, and then that goes to the second state which does the boost. What's actually happening here is on the trigger event action, which is in that listening state, I use the store collider function and I make an object called what hit me, as in that which just hit me, and I use that, so that gets stored as a game object variable, and I use that when I'm applying the boost. So here in the do the boost function I've got an add force action, and that refers to the whatever object just hit it, and that's been stored. And it says just add 100 impulse force forwards on the z-axis of the self. So it basically means like whatever direction the spacecraft is going in, it will get pushed that way. It actually doesn't mean that. It means it's just going to push the craft in the way that it's facing. That makes more sense. Okay, so I haven't actually tested this yet. Oh yeah, the second state machine is down here, and that plays the sounds. It has an identical start state, so it just listens for when a craft hits it. When a craft goes through the ring, it goes to this select sound doodah, and then it's going to generate a random number between 1 and 5, and then it's going to compare that number with an int switch, and it's then going to output one of those events: go 1, go 2, go 3, go 4, go 5, and there you can see them listed underneath the select sound thing there. So it's basically going to come from here. When that gets hit and something goes through the thing, the boost event will trigger. It will go down here into the select sound, and then it'll come out of one of these randomly. And then each of these basically plays a different sound effect and then takes you back. So that's two things. One of them boosts, one of them does the sound. Let's test it and see if it works. Okay, so here we are on the treacherous tundra of Venus. We have a little boosting hexagon thing over there. Let's see if that works. Wow! Kapow! Great! So yeah, it played a sound, it boosted me. Will it do it again? Yes, it will. Okay, that's nice. Great. This is what I love about Playmaker, you know, shit just works first time. Cool. Well, let's try the other craft out then. The Koenig. Let's have a little go. Take him through there. Pew! Yeah, that's a nice boost. You definitely notice it. Now the F111 Ezra, this is a bit heavier, it might be... Okay, that rips the engines clean off. Awesome. Doof, yeah, oh wow. Okay, what about the cooler? How are you? Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Well, I don't think this is going to go very well. Just put this enormous platypus vehicle through the thing. How's it going to go? Doof! Yeah, it just rips the engines off, and we're just very slowly falling to the ground. I wonder what would happen if I picked up a crate with this guy. That's what this thing does. Whoop! Pick up a crate. Okay. Oh god. Let's fly through. Doof! Oh wow, yeah, that's just a bad idea, isn't it? That's a bad day for everybody. The gecko. Little training craft. I'm not sure it's going to go so well for this guy either, but let's see. Boof! Oh yeah, lovely. Okay, that works just fine. On the mag. That one didn't really seem to boost too much. What if I go through it just slowly? Oh yeah, there's a little shunt there. Not particularly noticeable. Okay, so that's the boosting ring. Slight issue with this guy not working. Yes, well, perhaps another solution might be required. Okay. Okay, so I've made some new boost sounds. I'm just running them through Cool Edit and normalizing and enveloping them. That's one. There's another one. Put an envelope on it. They're just sort of shorter and slightly more varied. Yeah, so that's that. Making builds takes forever.
Cereal at the moment? No, just